And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price has moved in the last week and how the silver price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart, what we can see here that the silver price is being volatile. Okay, if we look at the chart, what we can see here that the price has moved downside. Okay, in the month of September it was continuously at this level, and from there we have seen in just 15 days it was moving in this particular zone. Okay, and for a month it was in this particular zone, making a low of around, moved up. After breaking this particular range, it has moved upside, and this support was not tested, this resistance was tested only once, so chances were very high that there can be a bounce back from this level, and from there it has come down again and made a low of around 23.23. Okay, again it has bounced back, and I have given this a buy situation at around 23.5 because there is a pattern was forming at this particular zone. If you can join, you can check my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, and you can whenever you want to attend my workshop, you can attend, or one-on-one also you can do. See, now look at the chart. Okay, now a M pattern is forming. Okay, so probability is there that we have seen a continuous downtrend in the price of silver after this particular zone has a level of 24.557 has break downside. Okay, and we have seen the level of around 22.044. okay, now it is trading at around 22.520, and this is the particular range. Okay, suppose if this level sustain, then probability is there we can see a level of 22.553, and if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 22.691. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.876. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 23.031, and from there, if there is a probability it can go and touch a level of 23.293. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 23.447. okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 23.647, and from there we can see a level of 23.724. okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 24.032. okay, and this level is, if we look at the chart, we have seen that this level, this resistance is already tested here, so chances are high we can see it can go further upside to a level of 24.217, and from there there is a high probability it can go further upside to a level of 24.325. okay, and this is the resistance which is there is a probability that it can go further upside from there because these resistance are already tested here, so chances are high we can see level 24.418. from there we can see level 24.510. okay, and once this level is cross upside, then we can see a level of 24.803. okay, and this level is also tested, so chances are high we can see a level of 24.957 also, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 25.035, and from there we can see level 25.142. okay, once this level is cross upside, then we can see it can go further upside to a level 25.296, and can go further upside to a level of 25.435. okay, and can go further upside because these levels are already tested. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then chances are high we can see a level of 22.380, and if it didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 22.283. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level 22.031. okay, suppose if the price goes below a level of 22.283, then there is a probability it can go further low to a level of 22. so keep this in mind. If the price goes below a level of 22.244, then there is a probability it can go and touch a level of 22. Once 22 is touched, then what we can see, it can go further low to a level of 21.721. so keep this in mind that if the price goes below a level of 22.302, then there is a probability that we can see a level of 21.729. okay, and once this level is crossed downside, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 21.478. okay, 478, and this is the particular range which is already tested here 2-3 times, so we can see it can go further low to a level of 21.190, and from there we can see a level of 21 also. Okay, and if the price goes below a level of this 21.5, then we can see it can go further low. If I show you a 6-month chart, we can see, if I show you a 1-year chart, you can see that the price has not come in this particular zone, okay, since long. So probability is there. What we can see that if the price comes close to this level 21.5, it can go further low to a level of 20.001. so any doubt regarding this silver, you can mail me. Okay, so what we can see looking at the chart, that see what basically what the price goes below a level of 21.2, 21.2 or 21.3, then keep this in mind. There is a probability it can go further low to a level of, because these levels are already tested. Okay, so chances are high if the price goes below a level of 21.3 or 21.4, then we can see it can go further low to a level of, it can go further low to a level of 21.176, and once if this is crossed downside, then we can see it can go a level of 19.973 also. Okay, any doubt you can mail me, because this is the particular range where we have seen that it has come now. Okay, so once this silver is in this particular zone, what we can see a bounce back off from this level. But if it goes below a level of around 21 point, okay, if it goes below a level 22.211, then there is a probability it can go further low to a level of 21.427, or it can go further low, okay, to a level of 20 also. Okay, so keep this in mind, that if the price didn't sustain a level of 22.11, then there is a probability we can see a level of 22 also. And if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.875, and if the price didn't sustain this level also, then we can see a level of 21.483, and if the price comes close to this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 19.945, because if this price didn't sustain this level, particular level. Okay, and first more one thing I want to tell you, that if suppose if you are trading with $10,000, okay, so per trade risk what you should be taking around 0.5, and you should be trading with around 20%, 10 to 20% of capital per trade, or you can reduce it, but not maximum more than this capital, because this is one of the thing that you have to understand. If the capital, and see, suppose if you take 10 to 20% of capital, that means you are using $1,000. If you take 10%, and the risk you should be taking, is 0.5 to 1%, so it will be around $50 to $100. So that if you occur a loss of this also 1%, 0.15 or 1%, then you should be relaxed for taking a next trade or trading for the next day. Okay, you should not be hurried to recover the money. Okay, keep this in mind. Suppose if you are making $100 or $200 or even $500, suppose once 100% profit comes down to 70%, please exit the trade for the day. That is very important. Okay, because if you are in profit, please exit in profit, so that you have taken, because you have earned 100%, you have taken a risk of 30%. Now you should exit the trade for that particular day. Okay, any doubt you can mail me. I teach on psychological mindset also, and hedging strategies also. So any doubt you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.